In this blog, we will learn how to play a sample music in your Flutter application. So you can play songs and other kinds of music too with help of this application. So the first thing is we need to add the dependencies. So here we are considering three dependencies: audio players, path and provider. So you can add them according to the latest versions available. So and the another thing is assets. Here we have added a sample mp3 file here with a duration of 27 seconds. You may consider any file here, but the most important thing is you need to add that particular file here under the assets. So if you have not added, you cannot access it in your code. So here in the folder structure also you can see the sample file we have added under assets folder. So maintain the proper structure of folders so that the files can be accessible. And let us start with the coding. So as usual, initialize the void main and consider the default class my app extending stateful widget. From there create a state of it. So here we are initializing two objects, audio cache and advanced player, to play the music and also to get the duration of the particular song or music. So here if the platform is iOS, then we are initializing audio cache dot fixed player start headless service. So this particular method will make us get the duration of the audio file which you have provided. So here we need to specify the name of the file with the extension. It's better to provide a sample name. Also you can specify the web URL for your music, but here we are considering a file from the local assets. So here it will calculate the duration of the song and will return the duration for us. So here we are printing the duration which is returned by the above method here using a text widget. So let us come to the basic designing of the application. Here we have considered scaffold, inside which we have provided an app bar with a title, and inside we have considered a text view to just display the file name, and we have provided a button to play the song, and below it we have specified a method to return the duration of the file. So now let us see the output. Here you can see the output screen which we have designed, and let us now try to hear the music. I think you can hear the music which we are playing from the emulator here using our tutorial. And also I will provide you the complete tutorial source code in the link below in the description, and also the APK file also. Do test it, and if you are having any queries in the implementation of this tutorial, let me know in the comment section below. And also if you like this tutorial, do like, share and subscribe to our channel for getting more interesting updates on Flutter.